Getting the YouTube channel set up as usual. Hopefully all you people are asleep. Hopefully nobody's here watching this too early in the morning. Been up since 3:30 again for the third day in a row. Wow. So I figured, what the hell? Might as well get this shit out of the way. Let's see what we shall call today. Oh. I don't know. And let's see. Today is 2/13/24, Tuesday. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, I doubt anyone's here. And again, I don't blame you all. Please go to sleep. Yeah. For those of you that are here, welcome. We'll be going over some live trades. What you're looking at your screen isn't a trademark or patent pending. It's actually literally a registered trademark for the safety trade system, a class 41 issued to me, and that is the registration number. Yep, extremely proud of that. Thank God for that. God gets all the credit for that, because I tell you what, for over a year they fought me left and right. For over a year, they would not hand that out. It was like pulling teeth. So if any one of you are here, I'm very proud of you for being here, but holy crap, it's too early in the morning. All right, let me get this going. I now have to get my TikTok up and running. Okay. And as you can see, we're live from Tampa, Florida today. I figure I'll go through all the different locations where we're at. No. So let me get this going over here. I'm not really Tampa, Florida, although we have property right outside of there. We were in Jersey yesterday and the day before. Today we're in Tampa. I think we'll go up where some places are. So we have property in Florida, Alabama, Georgia, and Ohio. Looking for property in Vegas as you speak, actually. So we'll make it live from there too. Yeah. Oh well. People are nutty as nuts can be. Okay, here we go. This is an actual trademark. This is the only system. And once I'm corrected, I'll say I'm wrong. That's fine. But as of right now, this is the only system on earth that I am aware of that has United States of America trading system, by the way. The United States of America trademark for a class 41. I'm not talking about a trademark for a silly little logo or something. I'm talking about this is the only Forex or stock trading system in the world that has United States of America trademark. It's the safety trade system. It's a class 41. Coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading, coaching in the field of foreign exchange information services, coaching in the field of currency trading, coaching in the field of foreign currency, commodities, financial derivatives, interest rate products, and equities, coaching educational services, namely providing classes, seminars, conferences, workshops. And then it goes on to list in a whole nother page of it. So the United States of America Trademark Office, after a year-long back and forth, has granted us this trademark. 100% proud of it. 100% thankful to God for this. And it's quite intensive. So if anyone's using any part of the safety trade system, anything, anywhere on any site, trying to do your own imitation of it, trying to guess at the numbers, it's so funny. People think they know, and they're clueless on what it is. You'll be getting a letter, cease and desist, from my attorney Baker. After that, we do sue. And if it's in violation of our NDA, we get a minimum of 10 times damages. You guys go ahead and do what you're going to do out there, and then you'll have a little issue with me. So we haven't had that in a long time. No one's been that stupid. I think we're coming up on a year for one of the silly ladies who was in Chicago, thought she could do something with the system. Yeah, that didn't work out too well for her. Oh well. But yeah, everybody understands that this is a NDA protected, patent pending, an official trademark. This isn't a pending trademark. This is a registered trademark. So just so we're all clear on that. But anywho, that's that. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Dozer Big Boy. Henry. Oh, what's up, Henry? How you been, Henry? What's up, Joe Dixon? What's up, Ruben? Haven't seen Ruben in a while either. What's up, Ruben? What's up, Darren Roberts? What's up, Bruce Jackson? What's up, Meandre? What's up, Tyra Edwards? What's up, Priscilla? What's up, Sergio? Good morning, everybody. Where I'm at today, I guess technically it's 3 a.m. Oh, well. But it is what it is. We're going to still have a great session. All right. We're going to whip through a whole bunch of symbols. Good morning, Joe Biga. Oh, wow. Thumbs up on TikTok. No, thumbs up on YouTube. Always appreciate it for the algorithm. Here we go. Why wasting time on it this morning? Oh, I know why. Fuck. Hold on one second. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine coming your way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity. Da, 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 da. Please type out yes if you understand that I am not, and no one associated with my channel, a financial advisor or anything to do with anything officially. And if you think that I am, you're sillier than silly bean. Because I cuss, I swear, I scream, I'm passionate. No one in the financial field. I don't dress in a suit and tie. I don't go around flexing houses and helicopters and airplanes and fancy cars. I'm none of those things. Conduct your own due diligence because you're an adult. I am just a social media. In fact, visit my YouTube store. It sells overpriced but high quality. Cool. You're an adult. Make your own decisions. Thank you for saying yes. Yes, I understand. Thank you, guys. All right, that's enough of that shit. Now let's go to the call outs. For some reason, you never know what triggers people in this world, right? So for some unknown reason, doing these call outs triggered a silly person. Why are you doing these call outs? Why do you go all these? People actually trade from these call outs every day. No one does that. Can you imagine someone hating because I'm giving away free signals for over a dozen symbols on 8 time frames every day? Man, people find anything to hate about. They're silly. All right, 1 minute sell stop gold, 5 minute sell gold, 15 minute. Still arching up on that one. 30 minute. 1 hour. Yeah, see, it's still going down right now. 4 hour. Okay, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop towards the 4 hour blue line, turning into a daily gold. That's all you need to know. US 30, NAS, and SPX have all hit their 1 minute blue line. We'll get back to those in a second. EUR USD, 1 minute sell, 5 minute. And it's a little late to enter that. You should have already entered that. 1 minute, 5 minute sell, EUR USD. And whatever I call for EUR USD is the complete opposite for USD CHF. We're calling 2 symbols for one here, in case you're wondering. Forming 30 minute buy stop to the 30 minute blue line. 4 hour sell stop, EUR USD. Daily buy, weekly sell to the monthly blue line. I forgot to do GPBY for somebody yesterday. I'm so sorry. GBB JPY, 1 minute. Was a sell a little late, looks like. 5 minute. Oh, we're good. Planning 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line, GBB JPY. 15 minute to the 15 minute line, sell stop, GBB JPY. 1 hour. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, GBB JPY. It's all you need to know. Oh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin went up. Okay. Bitcoin went up to 50. Who knew that was going to happen? Gee, we knew Bitcoin was going to go up since May last year when it was $26,500 when I made my first call for buy stop. People are, so you would have almost doubled your money. Crazy ass. Good morning, Martin Griffiths. Good morning, Jacob M. Gee, who knew Bitcoin would go up? Well, we did. Bitcoin. 1 minute sell. 5 minute sell. Bitcoin. 30 minute buy? No. 1 hour buy. 1 hour buy, stop Bitcoin. It's got to come back down first, though. Daily buy, stop Bitcoin. That's who the fuck knew it was going to go up. Weekly sell, stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy, stop Bitcoin. I'm going to pause on Bitcoin because so many people are lost on what to do with that. Then they take advantage. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Hold on. Do I have it even up over here? Here we go. Here we go. Let's take a look. Gee, I don't know what Bitcoin could possibly be. People are so silly. All right, guys, let's make you into professional, or let's not even use them, they suck. Let's make you into actual Bitcoin traders. Everybody in my system, those of you who are scamming and stealing it without paying, what is this right here? Inside of this, whatever, violet rectangle. Green, 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 red, green, green. Here we go. Everybody, all at once. It's a buy stop, sell stop, or nothing. Watch how many of you are professional or better than professional traders. I don't want to call you professional traders. I'm going to get in trouble. Oh, nobody knows. Oh, Joe Bigger, congratulations. Meandry, congratulations. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Good morning, Dina. Anyone on TikTok know what this is? Anyone at all? This isn't revisionist history. I've been calling a daily buy stop for, I don't even know. You'll see our half moon here. Bruce Jackson, congratulations. Does anybody know what this is on TikTok? Buy stop, sell stop, or nothing. What I'm pointing to and what's inside the purple rectangle. Ruben, correct. These considered a buy stop. Everybody that's even been in my system for once would know what this is. Shocked that no one on TikTok knows, however. But it is a buy stop. Let's make it even easier for you. We have a sniper entry telling us when to get in on the blue line right there. So it would be right here. You would have entered this call buy stop at $41,600. You would just this daily one. This isn't the first one. It's a beautiful sniper entry. Correct. Correct it is. Dean Lindsay, a buy stop. There it is. So while everybody else on earth is saying, gee, I thought Bitcoin was going to go up. I thought Bitcoin was going to go down. Oh, there's a BlackRock EFT why it went up. The fuck? It went up because it's a daily buy stop. And that BlackRock EFT release is bullshit. All news is bullshit. By certain people in my family nuts that the news doesn't work. But this is predicted to go up on a daily basis. Look, there it is. Anybody be a hater? Does anyone out there want to call in? Although we don't have full services, you need to call in from an American number. Any haters that has an American phone number wants to call in and tell me this isn't a buy stop and that we didn't know days and days advance. By the way, we can even make this bigger if you want. We can make this conspiracy even worse for you guys. There's weekly buy stops. Anyone at all like to come in and say these weren't, this is your weekly. Look, right here at regrouped, right here. Look, this area right here is now weekly, monthly buy stop. And you can go down to the daily to grab it. Look, what is this, my friends? Is this the blue line won't work here, it does on mine. We have none of them. Oh, we'll have to go back over. Hold on a second, watch. No problem, no problem. You're gonna have trouble seeing this. Shoot fire. Yeah, I can't pull it. I have too many lines on mine. Sorry. But it is a monthly buy stop. Oop. You can clearly see, this is green, green, green. It just doesn't have enough history. But it was a weekly, a monthly buy stop. It was a, back here, actually popped off the line. We can line right here. This will be a daily buy stop. Watch. Somewhere right around here. You'll see this where we go back to the daily. Yeah, there you go. And there it is. Fill in the gap. Daily buy stop. Sniper entry buy stop. Fill in the gap. Buy stop. Fill in the gap. An actual buy stop. Right here. And there you go. So if anybody would like to call me your email, send me your phone number through my email. And that's it. So that's how you trade. Call it to the blue, that means it's going to the blue line. This is not. So again, my system makes it, you know how many, look how, this is a buy stop since here. Let me pull this off again and see. how easy this shit is. I've been calling a buy stop since January 17th, January 18th. Daily buy stop. Bitcoin. Go ahead. You can go back to January 17th YouTube video and hear me call this out live. Good morning, Shat. You too, sir. We're just showing everybody how they are Bitcoin experts. They know more than the EFT for BlackRock is why. Bullshit. Bull fucking shit. It went up because you're in the middle or actually coming towards the of a, well, you got a little bit more time. So it's not quite the end yet. For the daily. Also in a monthly buy stop also. It's easy. This isn't rocket scientists. There's rules to follow. Henceforth, how our system is 100% accurate so far on 16 calls, our signal service. All right, let's go back to looking at things now. Bitcoin. I already called it. Ethereum, 1 minute. 1 minute sell. Oh, nice. Already hit its 5-minute blue line. Did Bitcoin go down there? Yeah, I'd play any 1 minute, 5-minute sell stop for Ethereum and Bitcoin. $30-minute, 15-minute. Yeah, I would. Well, actually, I don't. I used to play Bitcoin, but it's totally fucking moronic when you're in a issue with to cover the commissions on it on MetaTrader for you just can't trade it. It's going to come back down from another 4-hour buy, weekly sell, monthly buy. That's Ethereum. XRP in the house. Look at little XRP. No, it would have been a 1 minute sell. Let's see what. Too late to get into. 15-minute. Too late. It's already ricocheted down to the 5th mark. XRP. Come on, little XRP. Do a little something. XRP, 1 minute sell. XRP, 1 hour buy. XRP, 4-hour sell. XRP. That's daily. Forming a weekly, a monthly buy was for XRP. Amazon. Been recommending XRP since it was 31 cents. Been recommending Amazon since $91 a share. Okay, Amazon. Obviously, it just loves going up. I told you guys, there's no way. If Amazon goes to zero, I said this back in the day when people were seeing it fall, then everything, you don't have to worry about anything in this whole world. All the financials, you're just dead. So yeah, Amazon's going to go up, trust me. Nothing already happened. The 30-minute perfect, the 15-minute buy stop yesterday was perfect. Nothing. Not even a call. There's nothing to call. Oil, US, 1 minute. 5 minute. 1 minute, 5-minute sell stop, US, UK oil. Forming a 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop, US and UK oil. Forming a daily, weekly sell stop to the blue line, monthly buy stop, US oil. Okay. And that's all of them. Now, let's go rules to trading. So you guys can see exactly how I came up with those, what I wrote out last night. NAS, SPX, US 30 unofficial 1 minute sell stop towards their blue line. Literally as we were talking last, we pulled up our little handy dandy scanner right here, and 2 out of the 3, who was here last night? NAS and SPX were red, US 30 wasn't. I said play the US 30 1 minute sell stop till it hits the line. I don't know. Were any of you here last night on last night's live YouTube session, TikTok session? Anybody at all? Priscilla was. Priscilla, good morning again. Do you remember the call out when I said this? Do you remember when the little scanner had NAS and SPX red, but the US 30 was green? Well, hopefully. But anywho, they're all red now, just as it was called out. So hopefully I'll make some money off that. And let's see how I was able to call that so easily. And by the way, 1 minute sell stop still in play to the 5 minute blue line of SPX. Joe Bigger says, yes, I recall. Thank you, Joe Bigger, for speaking up. I mean, I can stop the video and go back and play back the old one from yesterday, but I'm not in the mood. All right, so we have new rules. They were given out to everyone who purchased the system yesterday. It was supposed to come out 4/15. We released the rules 2 days early. Thank you, Priscilla, for speaking up. Thank you, Bigger, for speaking up. Joanna Soaz, wow, you're early today. Been about this time for weeks now. Well, last 4 days. I keep getting up at 3:30 in the morning, wide awake. Who the fuck does that? Anywho, it can't be because I don't get 10,000 steps. It can't be because I don't lift weights. Can't be because whatever. I got about 4 hours of sleep last night. Previous 2 nights, I got 3 hours. And yesterday, no naps, no go back to bed or anything. Today, I don't know about that. I'm kind of hoping I can go back to sleep for a second sleep anyways. God bless you too, Johan. So that's all right. So this is how I'm able to make the correct calls. I'm going to teach you exactly what I do. We have rules. That's how our signal service can be a perfect 16 for 16. Okay. Here are the rules. Hi, welcome to the Safety Trade System trademark trading. These rules will be updated from time to time. Review them daily and times a day. Literally, you should type out the rules. Even them, you can print them out. You should hand write out every rule that I have. Then you should print those and laminate those. Then you should tape them around your monitor. And then every day you should go back and hand write them out. 7 if you guys understand that you need to look at the rules every day, check to see if I updated them, and that you have to hand write them out. Well, you guys are grown adults, do what the fuck ever you want to do. But you should put a lot of effort into these rules. Thank you, Builder. Thank you, Priscilla. Thank you, Martin. All right. Here it is. Look, we do the 1 hour step and we do the 15-minute step. That's all there is. What's up, Bruce Jackson? Thank you, Jury Frickle. Good morning, Jury. Okay. So step 1, this is exactly how I trade. Step 1, this is exactly how you trade. Pause the video, type it out. Open up your 1 hour charts. If you have the sniper, do this. If you don't, do that. Verify that there is a 1 hour, and the sniper, that's why it's A. Verify there is a 1 hour blue line high, at least 2 out of 3 indices. By blue line high, I specifically mean this. The pink line on the sniper must be at the bottom. The very first time this happens is the best. Then look for the 1 hour logo, and I explain what a 1 hour logo is. And if 2 out of 3 things do this, we can go on to step 2. So here's how long it takes you to do step 1. We're going to go over to SPX, 15-minute on the top, SPX 1 hour on the bottom. So the very first thing we have to look for is the blue line high or low, and is it no on SPX? That's not true. Is it on NAS? No, it is not. Is it on US 30? No, it is not. So none of these meet a criteria for a buy stop on this. So we're going to hop up to the 1 hour on the top. And we're going to go to the 4 hour. Nothing for US 30. NAS, yes. SPX, almost yes. So here we go. Let's take a look. Number one, is the blue line on the 4 hour high? It is. Is the pink line low? No, it is not. It still has further to drop. It has to do right here, and right here. This is not fully a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop because this pink line isn't all over the ground. Bottom of this indicator. Once it comes down to there, and it looks like this one or this one, so it has a long ways to go for SX. Let's see about NAS. Yep, NAS is closer. See about US 30. Yeah, still too far away. So there's nothing you can do on a 1 hour, 4 hour because it hasn't formed our logo quite yet. But if you want to go ahead and put it in soon, you can. So I'm going to call out sell stops, which we already did. You're already in. My fade now turned into a 1 hour buy stop. So this is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. It's going to take time. Some of these take days. Maybe today, later today, maybe if they have any kind of bullshit news announcement around 8:30, maybe today at that time. Maybe at open at 9:30. They always love doing it around the 4 hour. So sometime between 8:30 and 10:30, or 1:30 and 2:30, or somewhere around 5:30 to 6:30. That's when they like making their moves on a 4 hour candle, but I don't want to get too much into that. So 1 minute sell stops are in the money. They're all past the 1 minute blue lines, calling out SPX 5 minute, 1 minute sell stop on all three indices to SPX 5 minute blue line. Matter of factly, let's check 5 minute blue line. I called that without even looking at the charts. Yeah, I agree with that. We'll add this on. 5 minute SPX. SPV. SPX, blue line. All right, yay. It'll go towards it. Already has. It'll go further towards it, how that works out. So we now know what we're looking at for all three indices. Very simply put. And that's it. Go back to our rules. So the 1 hour didn't work out. So we can't go on to step 2 because the 1 hour, 15 minute, or the 1 hour technically, didn't work out. So you stop. You don't trade this morning. I know that drives people insane, but if the 1 hours aren't set up for either a buy or a sell, which they are not, don't trade. But you just called out a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Yep. You just called a 1 minute sell stop last night and you were correct. Yep. You guys should be reading 15 minute, 1 hours only. There is none. Chill. Go back and read training videos so you have a clue of what you're doing. Okay. Does everybody understand that be trading any of the three indices this morning until there's a 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop? 7s for yeses, 9s for no. Thank you, Priscilla. Thank you, Builder. Thank you, Martin. Okay, just do this time to study. Well, there is no 6, but oh, 7. What's up, Joe? Joe's like a 6. Threw me off there, Joe. Thank you, Joser. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Jury. So you guys understand that. Now, if there was one, then you can proceed to step 2. But since there wasn't one, I'm only going to use step 2 as a learning step for you. It's not real. There isn't any calls this morning. But after the 1 hour, you go to the 15-minute. If you have the sniper, you do them all. If you do, so if they would have checked out, which they didn't, you would then verify a 15-minute low, pink line low. Super important. The pink line must also be low the very first time this happens, and then the logo. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is clearly, you're clearly seeing on the 15-minute level right here. Watch. This is a sell stop logo. That's not a buy stop for the 15-minute. Price starts above. We're told to come down. It came up, re-arched, and went down. Gee, that's what it did for SPX. It's exactly what it did. The exact same thing right here for NAS. The exact same thing. So you couldn't play a 15-minute buy. Literally the opposite. It's the logo 15-minute sell to the blue line, actually. What about US 30? I don't know. Take a look. Nope. So the best one out of the 3. SPX is good, but it doesn't have your real direction bars correct. So the best one out of the 3 to take would be NAS 100. Perfect sniper. Perfect red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Perfect. Out of the 3 of these, you're always to look for the best. So again, we have nothing to indicate a 15-minute buy, everything to indicate 2 out of the 3 15-minute sell. Out of those 2, NAS is the best. Doesn't mean the other 2 won't do good also, they do, but your entry should have been on playing. This would be a 5-minute. Actually, this would probably be a 15-minute, 30-minute sell or a 15-minute, 1 hour sell. Yeah, it's a 1 hour, my bad. I see it right now. I wasn't looking. The logo is also down here. Look, on a 1 hour, started high, came down. There it is, coming down. Now, this isn't going to stay going down. Well, I shouldn't say that. It can stay going down all at once. I'll be waiting for a 1 hour, 4 hour buy later on today. All right, so step 1 and step 2, really don't have shit to show you because none of them are doing what you either buy or a sell, but those are the rules. You can copy them down, rewrite them out. Bach breaks, it talks about demo-only trading, wait for the half circle. Extremely important, let runners run. Okay, so step 2, we can't go over it in detail because it isn't happening. Trade entry and take profits and stop losses. Trade entries for demo only. Half moon. Sniper add-on, stop you from making. They even include number of pips to take for your runners. Okay, that's that. Must-watch video. This is just a video here. If you go over to YouTube, type in Safety Trade Frieda, F-R-I-E-D-A. It's the #1 training video I have out of 1,000 different videos I've made. I believe that's my best training video. So if you ever make mistakes, it'll help you. And there's a specific rules trading. Always trade the 1 hour, 15-minute for beginners, and all of you for real. Keep checking the 5-minute, 1-minute charts because they develop first. The order in which Safety Trade is develop is this. You may open one, but don't get suckered. Don't be looking for a buy stop at this second when you can clearly see we're in a sell. Put your buy stop comfortably high on a 1 hour entry and wait. Once the safety, I told you this last night, I showed you this. How do you know? Well, if you're in the sniper, you have the sniper add-on, or how do you know? Or you have the scanner rooms, you'll have the scanner. You literally can see when it changed to go down. 2 out of the 3 NAS and SPX were red. US 30 was still green. I told you all to look for the US 30 to go down to its blue line. And lo and behold, it did. That's how you know a trade is finished. Or at least turning so you can make some money on the sell on the way down. You can get the sniper here. Type this all out, by the way. When I type out, you should type out more information here. Or both. The Forex Safety Trade System at Gmail. Where do you put your stop loss? Take the L if it hits it. Take your profit. If it's more advanced, open up 2 or more. Not trade between 8:15 and 8:45 any day. You'll go back over a year now, well over a year and a half on YouTube. CPI has come out all the time. NFP has come out all the time. We have never lost CPI, quite contrary, we make tons of money on it. CPI, NFP, or FOMC news. It's all built into the system. But as beginners, you shouldn't play it. Don't try to play the news until you master this. You will master my system by teaching it to 5 to 10 people. Doesn't mean you buy 5 or 10. Use your damn same system and teach it. What do I mean teach it? Show what to do. Tell them what to do. By teaching it, you're going to help yourself. By teaching others, you will literally help yourself become a better trader with my system. Okay. Want to increase your learning from months to weeks? Record every session. If you record it, rewatch the important parts 30 times, 5, 10, 15 minutes out of the session is all that's really important when you see the buy or sell stop about to engage, how it forms. The night, so you can have literally 1 month of training in a night. You can compress decades. You can compress months into weeks. Now, this one's hard for a lot of you. You must unlearn everything you thought about trading, because if you type it in a Google quote, less than 1% of day traders are profitable, yet we all have been taught to do Fibonacci retracements, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, volume, VWAP, block trading. It's these clowns out here, yet all of us that are taught that, name of candles and candles, they're not even real. Fibonacci comes from nature. But everyone that taught that hangs on to that tooth and nail while they lose most all of their trades. So support and resistance loses 99% of the time, and trading loses 99% of the time. What works? Gee, what do they got to learn? They have to unlearn all that loose stuff and relearn my system. My system is standalone. You don't combine it with anything. Oh, this and oh, that. And if you put in with this indicator, no. My system is 100% accurate 100% of the time. Your misinterpretation of what you're seeing will cause you to lose. The system makes no mistakes. The system is not repainting, means it doesn't change. You can go back 6 months if you have enough history. You can go back years if you have enough history. You will never see when it lines up and you follow my rules a mistake. It will always generate 2 or 3 pips, period. 15, 20 pips, period. 100 pips, period. It will just generate. The higher the time frames, the more pips you get, generally speaking. Most important rule of them all, always thank God. Always do good with your profits. Right down here. Boop, boop. Most important rules. Now, we have M's and W's, choosing the best system. We have rules for the beginners. And this is exactly, how do you do this? How do you do this every day? How the fuck are you on every day? I get up in the only because of God. I put my feet to the ground only because of God. I open my eyes only because of God. And I give him thanks for it. I honestly believe to my core this helps me trade better. What do I do then? I'd say I'm about 50% of the time, 100% if I'm not trading that day with you guys, but 50% I'll do it first. 50% of the time I'll do it after I'm done with you guys. Like later this morning I'll do this. But I do all my Wim Hof breathing, red light therapy, cold therapy, grounding, weightlifting, EWAT therapy, and all the rest of my physical stuff. Because I honestly believe to my core this helps me trade better. What does being on a treadmill and doing speed lunges with EWAT therapy, exercise action therapy, have to do with trading? Everything. The more oxygen you have in your brain, the clearer your thoughts. How about that for something? Then I look at my H&H scanner. Literally the first thing I went over with you yesterday and today. I told you US 30 was going down to its blue line. It went past it. That's all I can tell you. There's a proof right there. After I do that, to see if there's any easy calls, I do look at the rules. I print them, laminate them. I read the rules over and over again every day. This is huge for you guys. Every one of you, until you're a millionaire, do this. Fifth, I go to the charts and look for my 1 hours. If I don't see it, it's the way it goes. And finally, you have the legal disclaimer. Gee, guys, since I've been talking to you this morning, it's been going down and down and down and getting closer and closer. Look, from here to here, you're making money as it goes down, as called out, as written out with you this morning. There she blows, and there she goes. What unofficial 1 minute sell stops I added to the 5 minute SPX blue line. Will it hit it? I don't know. Has it made you money and got close to it? Yes. H&H scanner for a reason. Horseshoes and hanging age. It doesn't have to go down there and touch it. It's just going to go down there and get close so you make money. Da-da-da. Magic. How did he know it was going to do that? The system teaches you everything. Okay? We are senior Stan ambassadors. What does that mean? Stan, this place right here, asked us to represent their company. They are just like Shopify. It's where you guys go to buy the system, where you go to buy all the different add-ons. We make a lot of money through our stands. We have 3 of them. At one time, we were told we were top 50 stored out of the thousands. I do believe we were top 20. I should ask Lauren where we're at with that. But thank God and God alone, we are extremely successful. But let's not mistake something. I withheld the system for you guys for over a year and a half. I kept the system to myself, made all the money I wanted to make. Good morning, Jay Parker. Not have to share the system with any of you. I was making money before I shared the system with you. And once we close this group, only the people in it, which will probably be this time next year, I know a year after the Holy Grail trade is released, we will only have people who are in our group that are kind and caring and no haters. After that, I'm telling you right now, I'll make money trading without any of you. That's what the whole purpose of what I'm teaching you is financial independence. But Kev, you have signals now. I'm trying to help you all make money while you learn. I didn't have signals for the first 2 years. Oh, but Kev, you have scanners. They're to help you find trades, learn from the trade, see if you're seeing what the scanner's seeing. I can't win for losing, but let me be clear. I don't need any of you to make money trading. It's not that I don't appreciate you all being here. Again, someone got triggered. Some silly person got triggered because I call out too many symbols in the morning or when I go live. Some silly person got triggered because I said I can make money without you. The whole thing of what I'm trying to do is to teach you all to make money without me. But people's brains are very negative, very slow. I'm sure this person has an IQ of probably 80. So yeah, I don't understand how someone gets triggered over every little thing. Pray for their souls. Pray that they get a more positive attitude on life. Because haters gonna hate. But they still need love. They still need to understand that when they're wrong, they have to admit to it. Okay. I have 3 100% and totally optional add-ons. Does anyone know what my 3 add-ons are? Please type it out if you do. And they're totally optional. I can't force any of you to get these 3 add-ons. If they work, people buy them. If they don't work, people don't buy them. Every month they go up. Every month, all 3 of these get more and more people added into it. Hundreds of people, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people are in these different add-ons. They're totally optional. They're there to help you. Oh, but you make money off them. I don't deserve to be fairly compensated, and I'm even doing it at the lowest level possible. Sniper, signal scanner, Martin Griffiths, correct. Sniper, scanners, correct. Bruce, you're missing one. Add-on sniper. Martin, send an email over to theforexsafetytradesystem@gmail.com. Since Martin answered first and correctly and he hasn't won before, Martin, we're on what day is today? Free Money Tuesday. You just won a $100 Amazon gift card. Congratulations. We don't do that here. I don't know who you are. Okay, so congratulations to Martin Griffiths. He answered first, and he won a $100 gift card to Amazon. Please write a kindly worded email to Bree saying, hey, Kev said I won a $100 gift card. She'll be okay. She won't get around to that. It's probably like 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, but you won. There you go. And not that Joe Dixon didn't get it right. You did too, Joe. Oh, fuck it. Joe, you write a nicely worded email to another $100 Amazon gift card to Joe Dixon. Bruce, you didn't add the third one in. There you are. Sniper was last. So Joe Dixon and Martin Griffin, you each won a $100 gift card this morning. That's just for you fuckers being up at 5 a.m. You're welcome, Martin. All right. So let's go over them. The H&H scanner. Oh, by the way, same douche, same hater. Watch. Got mad because you said that you're going to have a 15-second, 30-second, blah, blah, blah added to the H&H scanner, and it hasn't happened yet. You're a liar. Y'all want to take a moment and laugh at that? You said, and you're a liar, Kevin, because the 15-second, 30-second H&H scanner hasn't happened months ago. Yeah. Oh, and then he types in big, bold letters, I dare you. I dare you to say I'm from New Jersey. What's up, Clayton? You just missed 2 winners, Martin and Joe. Joe, are you still here? You won, Joe. So, am I a liar? Let's take a look. The 15, 30-second is on there. I must be a liar. Or it must be still being coded by Keith. Or it must still being tested, me and Keith, to make sure it's functioning properly and it's still coming. Obviously, haters don't know how long it takes to code something. Obviously, haters don't know how long it takes to test something, but it's still coming. You will still have a free upgrade that this person's complaining about. Good morning, Sandro. To a free, you do know that what you're looking at, this H&H scanner, was a free gift from, and that's another thing. You don't give anything for free. It's built into the price. It's $50 a month for the scanners, and the H wasn't even a thought when we made it. So if you a la carte the scanner I'm pointing to with my red thing, it's $500 a month, and Bree and I gave it to everyone in the scanner rooms for free. Oh, nothing's for free except for the H&H scanner. So he's complaining about a free gift from Bree and I with a free upgrade. So am I a liar, or is he a silly person? Am I a liar because this hasn't happened yet? A free upgrade to a free scanner that we gave you that charged $500 a month, or is he just a hater and negative mind and he needs our prayers? I'll wait. But it hasn't happened. So you're a liar. These people, where do they come from? No, it just hasn't been coded yet. No one out there? Oh, Priscilla says a hater. Priscilla, you're right. Anyone on YouTube have an opinion? Oh, Lord. It is fun, though. It does. I have a whole bunch of comments in the Discord saying, you know, these haters spice things up. It makes you more fiery and gets things more entertaining. And I agree. It's all fun. Praying for him, says Sandra. Okay. The hate is real, says. Okay. Just want to make sure. Because it's still coming. I apologize that it's taking a little longer than expected. But we have been a little busy bringing you tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 signals, which is coming up next. All right. Thank a few of you for answering. Here we go. You literally have this scanner. Let's be clear. I already went over it this morning. I'm not going into detail. But you can pick out either the indices, the Forex, 2 of the rooms, the cryptos, whatever you want. $50 a month. We include the H&H scanner as a free gift. That is an add-on. These are, and by the way, he said I force people to buy the scanner. You're all grown-ass adults. I can't force you to do anything. Woohoo! Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. You force everybody to buy these totally 100% optional things. If the scanner rooms didn't work, we wouldn't have hundreds and hundreds of people and it growing every month. Sure, a few people drop off, but then dozens more come in every month. The sniper add-on. Holy shit. Everybody knows my saying, I'd sell my car to get the sniper. I would do anything humanly possible to have the sniper. Anything humanly possible to get this blue and pink, which is not included with the system. Do you need it? No. The system is 100% functional without it. Don't get it if you don't understand it. Don't get it if you don't have $150. But if you have $150 a month, I can't think of anything better to get. Good morning, Jan. Fly to the sky. It's a clown. It's a circus out there. You're right, Larry. It is. So the sniper is another total 100% optional add-on. You don't need it, and I can't force you to get it, but I can give it my strongest recommendation on earth to buy. I can say that. The signal tier. It's totally optional to get signals. Do I have to say this? This is embarrassing at this point. Wow. And I also give you a commentary. Several people commented on that I was telling you, walking you through what to do as I do that included for free. Oh, blah, blah, but no, it's not in the write-up. I don't have to do that. I do that because I care. Signal Room 1 gets you 5 a month for $150. Bree and I doubled that. We give you 10. Signal Room 2 is $250. Bree and I for free doubled that to 20. There's a few people in the Signal Room 1 who goes, hey, Thank you so much for still giving us the signals. I think there was 2 or 3 in the Discord that thanked us. Yeah, we did that. Tier 3 is unlimited signals. Don't worry, we'll take care of you with those Holy Grail trades. Gold, maybe be launched later today. If not, I'm hoping for tomorrow. Keith made it back home safely. A great time with his family. Gold tier 1 is included for free. Now, let me give you an example of how haters are silly and panic and jealous, I guess. I have no idea what goes through their brains. But tier 1 people pay $150 a month. If they're in tier 1 when gold comes out, they get 5 gold additional signals, tier 1, for free. If someone joins after gold comes out, then they will have to pay $150 a month for gold tier 1 and $150 for the tier 1 signals. You're welcome, Joe Biga. So watch. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you're in tier 1 signals, when these all come out, you get tier 1 signals for gold, EUR, GBP, JPY, US oil. You even get 1 Holy Grail. If you're not in it, you'll pay $100 a month for tier 1, $150 a month for tier 1 gold, $150 a month for EUR, USD tier 1, GBP tier 1. So when the hater said, you don't give anything away for free, it's built in. No, it isn't. We're supporting everyone that launched with us, the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 signals, which have been perfect, 16 for 16, 11 for 11 wins, January, 5 for 5 wins in February so far. We've rewarded you with 100% accuracy with our signal entries. B, everyone that is in tier 1 gets gold, gets ERUSD released. If you're in tier 2, same thing. In tier 3, you get all of them, including, which is the big one, the Holy Grail. Oh, you're teasing them with the Holy Grail. Why don't you just release it right now? Because the Holy Grail is A, just been coded. B, is just being lie tested. It made 3 perfect calls, by the way. C, it has to be back tested by hand. D, it has to be back tested by computer. E, F, and G, it just takes time to tweak the code to make sure it's seeing things, it's sending things, the whole 9 yards. So obviously, if you think I'm dangling it, I have no choice. And then it goes, little hater dude, well, it's not even a good trade. It's just the Holy Grail trade. Motherfucker, you're 100% wrong on that. The Holy Grail trade is, I thought I'd live to see the day, someone said yesterday, and I agree with that. I never thought I'd live for me to be able to make a trade that just won't miss. Unless God decides to change a buy stop into a sell stop, it can't miss. So, sevens, if you guys understand that if you're in tier 1, when gold is released, you don't pay anymore. But if you're not in there and you want gold, you'll be paying $150 a month for gold and $150 a month for tier 1. Does that make sense to all of you? Yes or no? Sevens or nines? I swear. Thank you, Bruce Jackson. Thank you, Jan. Sandra, okay. Priscilla, thank you, Priscilla. Thank you, Martin. All right, that's all. And is that somehow manipulative? I'm trying to reward you all. Bree and I are trying to reward you all for being loyal to us, for being in the signal rooms when we start to get it off to a good start. I'm not holding this over your head. I'm rewarding you with the benefit of all these extra signals at no cost. You see how warped and twisted haters' minds are? Again, pray for their souls. Pray for them. I might make fun of them a little bit. The reality is it's too easy not to. But the reality is they need help. I didn't give out signals. For 2 years on TikTok, almost a year and a half on YouTube, I never put signals. Now I am trying to help you make money while you learn the system. That's all. Oh, you're doing it for evil, vile purposes. whatever. Those are the three things. We have the scanners are an optional add-on. We have the sniper as an optional add-on. We have the signal tiers as a 100% totally optional add-on. Oh, by the way, same silly person said, why do you tell people they don't owe you anything? Why do they support you? Why should they stay in the scanners and the snipers and the signals if blah, blah, blah? Well, if you're doing great with the system, you should support it. I don't say if you suck at the system and you have no money to stay in any of the three optional add-ons. Please don't do that. Okay? But if you're listen to my words. If you're doing great with the system, oh, hold on. Inactivity. Wow. Sorry, TikTok went down for a minute because they're saying it was inactive. I think I need you guys to respond on there. We might need more activity. I might have to pull you guys over there. All right, sorry, TikTok went down for sites back up. So if you're doing great with the system, put your money where your beliefs are and support it. Wherever you put your money, things thrive. If you're doing great, in other words, don't stop. You don't owe it to me. But is it the morally correct thing to do? Is it the karmatic? Is it karma? Karma? At any rate, it's the karma thing to do. It's the right thing to do. If you're doing great with it, stay in the signals, stay in the snipers, stay in the scanner rooms. If you're not doing good with the system, then don't do that, please. I mean, it's common sense. Anywho, what's up, Long John Silver? Good morning, XRP Den. We have hundreds of people coming up from you. Good morning, Andrew. Another breath. Amen, Andrew. Another day, another breath. Morning, sir. We do have hundreds of you coming up for renewals. All you have to do to renew or purchase the system is go right over here. And you can go ahead and buy the system and renew right there. Everyone renews on TradingView. It pays $575. Otherwise, I'm telling people are shocked. But the system will go away or become inactive where it won't be useful to you 1 year from your date of purchase. If you don't want interruption of your trading, renew early. All you do is add it on there. Okay? I think that's it. Now, whenever we receive, like, literally we can go 6 months without receiving one hater email. But whenever they do send in an email and they're haters, they never sign it. They never use a real email account. They think they're slick. But they forget when they sign up. They sign up. Usually they have to verify their Google account with a real name or a phone number and email. And guess what? We know who they are. So we have addresses of people and stuff like that. Anywho, so if you're man or woman enough, just speak up right now. If you don't like me or if you don't like the system and you think something's wrong. What's up, Neil, the time traveler? You should get the system, Neil. You can actually call out things before they happen, like Bitcoin and stuff. Amruth, crude oil. Good morning, Amruth, LA. No, you can go ahead and say good morning. And you can go ahead and ask nicely, but no, I'm not going to do that. And I already did it this morning anyways. But yeah, so if you're going to be a hater, speak up now. If you're going to be a hater, call in now. If you have something positive to say, speak up now. If you have positive to say, you can call in. I don't know about now, though. I'm a little tired. But you can call in when I come on live later today. Sure. If you would. It's always the haters that love to be anonymous. Yep. It is a sad side. What's up, XRP Den? Good morning, sir or ma'am. So, finished up. I already called out crude oil plus 12 other symbols. I've taught you exactly how to trade using a system. I taught you exactly how to read Bitcoin and why it went up to its highs today. Everything's exact. That's how we have the signals. That's how we have the scanner. On a scale from 1 to 10, if you rate me anything other than a 10, then give me a reason why so I can approve. Otherwise, your ones are invalid. I won't listen to them. If it's 1 and, oh, you suck because you talk too fast, fair enough. Oh, you're too passionate, so I'm giving you a 5. Kind of silly, but whatever. So, scale from 1 to 10, would you give today's session, please? Hi, please tell about crude oil. Okay. Crude oil. Crude oil. U.S. oil specifically. Let me be clear on this. We've already called it. All right, here we go. 11D. That's funny. All right, crude oil. Was just a 1 minute sell stop. You missed it. It is a 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute towards the 5 minute blue line, US and UK oil. 15 forming 30 minute, forming a 1 hour. It's going to form a 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop in a little bit or later today. And that's all you need to know. It's going to go back up to the line on the 4 hour. And then it's going to be a sell. I'm not going into all that. That's all you need to know. There it is. And by the way, it's dropping even since I just called that a minute ago. See it drop? That's right there in that part. Okay. So no one has any questions on TikTok or YouTube? No one has any concerns or comments? I'm going to go ahead and leave TikTok, heading over to YouTube because I can talk freely there, where TikTok gets a little pissy. Anyone on TikTok have any questions before I go? You can go over to my YouTube channel and watch over 466 videos. And actually, I have over 1,000 videos now I made live. Every trade I've ever called or taken has been done live for over the last year and a half, over 1,000 videos. Any questions on TikTok before I go? Going once, going twice. See you guys on TikTok, heading over to YouTube. YouTube, any questions for you? YouTube, any questions for you? You come live every day. Yes, sign up for the alerts either on my site, Stan Store, or sign up for the alerts here through YouTube. Probably better through YouTube, actually. Yeah, I've been coming on live every day, Amruth, literally for a year and a half on year and a half on YouTube, and almost 2 years on TikTok every day. This is where you can sign up for the alerts. I think it's better, though, if you sign up under YouTube because I have to go live through my restream through YouTube. Any other questions on? Remember, our system is step by step. Our system is the only one that has a United States of America trademark for Class 41. It's not applied for. We are a registered trademark system. We're the only that has a scanner. Thank you, Bruce. Thank you, Sandra. That has a scanner. Look at this shit. Holy crap. Watch this. Look at it. Holy crap. What was that going wild over there? Was that Forex? No. Okay. Something was going crazy. I saw all these little movements. Damn. Anyway, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and say buy stops 1 minute and 5 minutes. Look at this shit. The only system that has scanners for you too. And signals and everything. All right. Thank you all for being here. Bless y'all. You're welcome, Dean. You're welcome, Joe. You're welcome. You're welcome, Bruce. All right. God bless y'all. Have a good morning. I should be on later today. Lord willing and all, we'll see. But I should be on later today. All right. God bless you all. Have a great day. Make some great memories.